Hello, my name is Eddie, and I'm a sales representative here at Xroadsnetworks, and I will walk you through how to set up multi-session acceleration. In order to enable multi-session acceleration, or Accelibond, you'll need to first go to App Routing tab. Ensure that the App Routing drop-down window is selected on Bonded Link Routing. In parentheses, you'll see MSA for multi-session acceleration. So the first thing we're going to do is select the Enable Radio button and hit Update. We're only updating this change to the app routing page on the web GUI. We're not making the change to the actual configuration. We still have more changes to make before we go to the home page and save our settings. If you move down to Content Control, you'll be able to select which file types you want to bond using MSA. And you can select which websites to accelerate. If you see Test Mode, it will accelerate all websites. However, if you select the Standard Mode, which we recommend during normal operations, you will only be accelerating the websites that are listed. You see the Site Listing tab. At this time, we don't have any websites, but I'll show you how to add one in a second. You do need to have at least two interfaces enabled. It doesn't have to be WAN1 and WAN2. You can have it as WAN1 and WAN3, etc. But for this example, we're going to go with WAN1 and WAN2. Now, in order for the acceleration to work properly, we do need to have different DNS servers. It has to be from different internet service providers. We can't have the same DNS from the same internet service provider. So for this example, I'm going to show you the DNS provider. This is my primary DNS on my WAN1 ISP. And for my WAN2 ISP, I'm going to use my primary as well. This is just primary and secondary for the acceleration. And select Update. So you can update our changes. If you return to the bottom of the screen, I'll walk you through adding a URL to the site listing. For example, you can type google.com. You don't have to know the network, just the URL will work, and the name will be for administrative purposes. Select Add Site. You see you got the site has been added message. Let's return to the bottom. I'll show you how to add a network instead of a URL. Maybe you have a site-to-site enabled and you want to accelerate the traffic coming from your remote office. And the subnet will be added in / notation. And simply select Add Site once more. You can return to the bottom and you see both of these websites. Now with our current configuration in standard mode, all the websites listed here will be accelerated. If you are done making changes, return to the home screen. Your final step will be to save the configuration. Wait a couple seconds and you'll see the current state will change to active. For more how-to guides and documentation, please visit our website at xroadsnetworks.com.